Hey Gina, one of the programs I'm most excited about is the Emerging Leaders Program. You know, our new tagline is engaging teams, elevating leaders, empowering success. Tell us why this program is so important.
Well, Fred, honestly, there probably is not a more harrowing jump in careers than from sales professional to management. And often what starts as a great salesperson doesn't necessarily translate into a great manager. And they feel it, right? And they don't know how to ask for help, or they don't want to feel like they're not getting it. So they don't ask for the help they need. And it's a lot to learn, it's a lot to manage, and so they fail. And they leave. And that is costly for the company, it's detrimental to the employees, it's detrimental to morale. There's so many things that get impacted by someone not succeeding in their new role. And it doesn't have to be that way.